Hello students of standard 6. Today we are going to learn chapter 14, Tom and Becky make up part 2. Dear students, we have seen in the part 1, or we can say in the previous class, that how Alfred Temple poured the ink in the spelling book of Tom Sawyer, and he understood that it will be a trouble for him. And Becky had seen from outside, and she was also happy that Tom will get punishment. So here Tom is in trouble, and Becky and Alfred, both of them are happy that Tom will be into trouble. Tom did not know this, but Becky also did not know that she is going to be into trouble. And because Tom is in the trouble and Becky is in the trouble, Tom saves the Becky, and because of that, Becky turns to her. Tom likes Becky, but they both are not able to bend down. They are not able to come towards each other, but both are prestigious and proud. So let us see in the lesson what happens today. Tom was taken back at Becky's outburst. When Mr. Dobbin was asking who has stolen it, and Becky started to cry. Outburst means very angry. So much anger that without talking to him anything, started to shout. What was the matter with her? He asked himself. Now Tom is questioning himself. Why she is shouting at me? I am not telling Mr. Dobbins, but he is sure to find out. Then he will punish her and I will be very glad. Now Tom also say, I am not going to tell Mr. Dobbin. And Dobbin will see the book and he will know. And he will find out who is the person. And when he will find out and Becky will get punishment, I also will be happy. The spelling lesson began. The people took out their books before long. Mr. Dobbins had noticed the ink on the Tom's book. Tom pleaded that he was innocent. He had not done it, but master paid no attention. He is telling everybody took out the spelling book, and when Tom got it, his book, and Mr. Dobbin saw and he started to scold, Tom pleaded, Sir, I have not done. I am innocent. But Mr. Dobbin did not pay any attention. It is wrong means wrong, and he started to punish him. He beat Tom in front of the class. At this, Becky felt really sorry. The way he punished, he gave beating. Now Becky is feeling sorry, but she did not tell him anything. Shall I tell Mr. Dobbins it was Alfred who spilt the ink? She thought once, I'll tell that it is not he, but it is Alfred. She thought. Then suddenly she changed her mind. No, I don't. I know that Tom is going to tell about me tearing the page, and I will get punished. So I won't tell about Alfred and the ink. Let Tom get punished too. So she thought that Tom will go and complain to Sir that is Becky is done, torn your book page. So I too will get punished. So let him also get. I am not going to tell anything about it. The class settled down and began to work quietly. Mr. Dobbins took out his book and began to read. Becky was watching the master's face, waiting fearfully for him to find the page that she had torn. And Tom was watching Becky. Poor thing, he thought. How frightened she looks. He forgot his anger against her. Now Mr. Dobbin gave every student work to work out, and he took the book and started to read. Becky was watching and she was so frightened that now he will find the page and he will start. Now he will find the page and start. And Tom forgot about his pain, that he got punishment, he got beating, and he looked at Becky, how she was fearful, and he was thinking in his mind, poor thing, how she is frightened now for the punishment. The master turned over a few pages, looked up angrily and shouted, "Who did this?" He showed the torn page to his people, and there was total silence in the class. Everybody trembled, but nobody said a word. He asked who torn this page, and everybody was frightened and fearful, shivering, but nobody uttered a word. Mr. Dobbin questioned the pupils one by one. Joseph Harper, Benjamin Roger, Alfred Temple, Amy Lawrence, Gracie Miller. He asked each one, and each one denied having torn the book. Mr. Dobbin came to Becky, Rebecca Thatcher. Becky's name was Rebecca. And he told Rebecca Thatcher, he asked, "Did you tear my book?" Becky had gone white in the face. She was trembling so much she could not lift her head to answer Mr. Dobbin. The master really believed that she was guilty and deserved punishment. But just at that moment, Tom stood up and said, "Sir, I did it. I torn your book. It wasn't Becky." Now, when the master went to Rebecca, means Becky, and asked, "Did you tear it?" Becky became so pale, white. She was like no blood in her body, and she stood shivering. And Tom saw this such a bad situation, so she came towards the teacher and said, "Sir, it's not Becky. I have done it. I torn your page, and I am sorry." He took full blame, which he had not done. He thought to save Becky, save her from the punishment, and he took the blame and got all the punishment. Dear children, this is the real friends, to help the friend from the trouble to save. And here Tom has shown his friendship, his love, his concern and care. He got the blame, he got every punishment for it. Thank you children, we will see in the next class. Okay? So learn this lesson while watching the video carefully. Thank you.